is time for Law or Naw, where we have local legal experts help answer your questions about the law.
And we have just the friends to help us do that. Donnie and Ken from the Advocates Law Firm are here. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good. Good to have you guys here. And, you know, for people who don't know, tell us a little bit about the Advocates.
Well, we are a personal injury law firm in Seattle. We help people who have been in accidents that weren't their fault, and we get them through the medical treatment and then hopefully get them compensation for what happened.
Okay, cool. We've got some questions, some legal questions that our viewers want to know. And this one, I would have no idea what to do in the situation. Okay, let's get into it. The first question says, my son driving to practice was hit by an 11-year-old driver who had stolen his brother's car. It was not insured. My car was paid off and had full coverage. If I accept the amount of payoff for my totaled car, can I recoup additional settlement for pain and suffering? Or will I have to sue my own insurance due to no coverage on the other driver's side? Or will I have to sue the parents of the car thief? My son is fine, but I don't know if it would be worth it to hire a lawyer to deal with it and get a better deal. Wow. What do they do?
Well, there's a lot to unpack there.
A lot.
But the important part of it is that it sounds like the person has been made whole, that they've been paid in full for their car, which is pretty much all that you can really do when there's only property damage. They mentioned pain and suffering, and believe me, it's painful to talk to insurance companies. I suffer every time I have to get on the phone with one of them. But that's not the kind of pain and suffering that you can typically get in these type of things, because fortunately, no one was hurt. And so what you get out of this is you get the full value of the car, and you get experience. Experience is what you get when you were hoping for something else. So
wow.
That's true.
I can't get over 11 years old.
11.
Right?
I was 3 feet 2 inches at 11. I was lucky if I could hit the pedal and hold onto the steering wheel.
Totally.
Probably on a pillow. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
How wild.
That is wild.
Okay, but it is worth to ask because that sounds super complicated, so we're glad we have the friends to ask that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we have another question for you. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, so this question says, I reserved a parking spot using a website and parked my car for 7 days. Upon return, I found my car had been towed. I followed up with the website I used, and they admitted that they had provided an incorrect address on the reservation, which they have now corrected. I had to pay more than $600 to the towing company to release my car, but now the parking company is not willing to reimburse me for their mistake. So what should I do?
Oh, I would be furious.
Yeah.
I mean, you entrust this company to do the only thing they're supposed to do, which is safe house your car.
Yeah.
Right.
And then you come back and it's gone.
Right.
And now you're on the hook for paying it.
Are you on the hook, or can you
According to them, you're on the hook.
Right,
I
right.
don't think you're actually on the hook.
you're not. You're going to call these as soon as you can see, because you're going to be so enraged.
Yeah.
I mean, you're going to probably want to go to Woodblock and get one of those.
I know, smash the ice a little bit.
But you're going to be so enraged by the time you can see your phone. You call up this company and just talk to somebody, and they're going to figure out that they really need to make you whole. It's not.
I would say talk to somebody that has authority to make decisions too.
Yeah.
They
go as
blew
high
it.
up as
I mean,
you can.
if you had to, you could go to a small claims court and get it, but
Right.
they're going to take care of you, right?
You would hope.
And if they don't, I mean, you could take care of them on Google.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, reviews and whatnot.
Yeah.
So so a similar thing, not as extreme, happened to me where I reserved a parking space, and then I got a ticket when I was there, and I double checked the address and everything, and luckily you just had to upload proof that you'd already paid for it, and then they kind of both sides said, we'll take care of you. You know, the Spot Hero where I booked that, took care of it. But that was so annoying. I can't imagine if you didn't have your car, because they might not give you back your car until the money is paid. So this could last a really, really long time.
Yeah. I mean, and the inconvenience of, not having your car.
Yeah.
What if you get back and it's gone and you have to go somewhere? I don't know if you go to small claims court if they compensate for that.
Probably not.
Wow,
Right?
that's wild.
Yeah.
So you kind of have to make that decision if it's worth the extra effort.
Yeah.
Now, I'll tell you, and you can tell me if I'm off base here, but my general go-to when there's a dispute financially is not to pay first if I can help it. Because I feel like people care way less when they've already got your money.
Yep.
But if your car is missing, you're kind of in a tough spot
They've
there.
got your car.
Yeah.
This the same kind of thing. You're going to have to give that money to this tow company.
Yeah.
And the longer it sits there, the more it's going to add up.
Oh,
my
and you just
gosh.
hope you get reimbursed.
Well, thank you for giving us your take on this, Donnie and Ken from the Advocates. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon.
Sounds good.
All
Thank you.
right.
Yeah. And don't forget, you can submit your legal questions to us on social media and find us on any platform at Studio 13 on Fox.